Welcome back to Market Decode News. I'm your commodity guide, and today we're unlocking the secrets of the energy markets, oil and gas. Most people think trading oil is about complex math. It's actually about reading a story. Forget the complicated formulas. We're reading footprints. A single candle on a chart can tell you exactly who won the daily battle between the buyers and the sellers if you just know how to translate the language. Every second, every minute, a tiny war is being fought. Did the buyers push the price higher, or did the sellers drag it down? The candlestick shows the result. So how do we start reading these market stories? We start with the core concept, price action. Price action isn't about using fancy math formulas or technical indicators. It's about watching the behavior of the crowd. We look at what the price actually did. Let's break down the candlestick itself. We call it the box and whisker. Imagine crude oil starts the day. That's the open. It drops on bad news, hitting the low, then spikes on good news to the high. Finally, it settles at the close. That whole day's story is one simple candle. Now that we know the basic structure, let's learn the vocabulary. Here are the big 5 patterns, the 5 messages the market sends you, explained as a tug of war. First, the doji. We call this the stalemate. The buyers and sellers fought hard all day, but when the bell rang, the price closed exactly where it started. Everyone is exhausted. No one won. Next, the hammer or the shooting star. This is the rejection. The price tried to go one direction, but the other side slammed it back down. A long wick shows the price was rejected hard. The engulfing pattern is the takeover. It's the most aggressive signal. A single candle completely swallows the previous one. This means one side, the buyers or the sellers, completely overpowered the other. The pin bar is the false move. The market lied and then snapped back. The inside bar is the deep breath. The market is pausing, holding its energy right before a potentially big explosion. The candlestick tells you what happened, but volume tells you how important that event was. This is our truth meter. Volume is simple. It's how many people are actually voting with their money. If 100 people vote, that's small volume. If 100,000 people vote, that's huge volume. A big price jump on low volume is just a whisper, easy to ignore. But a price jump on high volume, that's a massive shout from the market, and we must pay attention. Every rookie makes the same mistake. They see a fancy pattern and jump in, forgetting that context is everything. A hammer pattern, for instance, doesn't mean much if it's in the middle of nowhere. It needs to be at a floor, which is a support level, or a ceiling, which is a resistance level. That's where the real market battles happen. And watch out for the news bomb. The EIA, or Energy Information Administration, releases weekly reports. Think of this as the halftime report. Everything you thought you knew about the market can change in 1 second after this report. Before you take any action based on these footprints, we have a simple 3-step safety check you must run. First, is the candle clear? Doji or hammer, it needs to be unmistakable. Second, is it happening at a crucial floor or ceiling? Location, location, location. And finally, is the volume shouting or whispering? If the pattern is great but the volume is low, it's probably a fake out. We want conviction. We want a shout. Candlesticks are not complex math. They are the language of money. Use these simple analogies to translate the footprints left by the buyers and sellers. You can trade smarter, not harder. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Market Decode news.